So we got another unboxing. My new charms came in, and I only cut open the top here so it's easier to unbox. Let's see. So excited. Of course, I've got a bunch of cats here. Always nosing, always sniffing. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. So. Pepper. Ooh. They're such a nice size too. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. No. Of course you want to play with it. Yeah, and this one I got sparkly. It's the only one I got. Holographic stars. And that's the back. So yeah, I made the actual bottle look like kind of, it's a little see-through, so I didn't color everything, and I really love how they came out. It's such a good size too. Alright, so you got those. And then I have two more designs. Pepper, Peppy, here, no touching. Okay, so let's keep this one. Peppy. The cat. The same, I got same design from my notepad. Look at this. And this is clear. I didn't add any. Look at this. They look so good. No touching, Peppy. Alright, thanks. And I also did the Sakura one here as well. Look at this, it looks so good. And it's a nice size too. And they're both sides epoxy. So I love that. Sushi, no touching. Come on. Yeah, it looks like you. Kind of. Alright, so I got this one. These two ready, and third one. Third design. Oh no. Look at this. So cute, Calcifer. And this is also both side epoxy, and I got the heart because a heart is a heavy burden. Yep, and that's the back. There's a little butt. Looks so cute. Yay! So this is the third one. What do you guys think? You have a favorite? I love them all. And I can't wait to make more. I have one design where it's kind of like a shaker, and so I see, maybe I do that next. And yep, so I'm really happy how they turned out. The quality of the print is really good, and it's a really nice size. And yeah, so I'm gonna be busy taking pictures this weekend and posting them. So I'm working on another notepad design. So this is the first one I have, and now I'm working on like another one, and it's gonna be like another soup bowl, but I'm gonna do like a fall version. And then it's gonna say, I'm not too sure about the text yet, but I think it's gonna be something like have a phenomenal day or something like it. And I think I'm gonna put it here, and I think the bowl here. I have to see. I don't want to do the same thing like this, so maybe I'm gonna put it like that. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, so I just sketched this, and it is based off a another design, but it's a ramen one, and my friend suggested to do just like the fall one. Let me see, I took a picture. It's like for my design sheet. And where is it? I have so many pictures. I just had it. Where did it go? Oh, here. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do a fall version, and of course it's gonna be a little bit different, but that's the, yeah. So yeah, I did a little sketch, and now let's see. how does this look? I'm not sure about the face. Was the face better here? More higher? Looks better, huh? Kinda like it. Look at a cute kitty. No kitties allowed. Only soup kitties. Okay. Alright. So, not a sketch. Now we're gonna put this here. And I like to draw bigger. Always better. You can add more detail, and if you have to make it bigger or smaller, it's just better. So now, oh, so I always sketch, I don't know, I just like it. I always sketch this kind of color. This here. And then I just make it darker for the second sketch, and now I do a light, I mean a darker one. I do a different color. What color are you gonna do? I usually go for green or blue. Let's do a blue. Not this one, maybe this one. Another layer. And maybe we can do black already. Let's see. Because sometimes I'm not too sure about certain things, and I like a better sketch of it. So let's make this bigger too. That's good. And now I'm gonna use the, what is it? Here, peppermint. Peppermint. Let's see. Still not sure about the jalapenos, but I might do them in a separate layer, and maybe I'm gonna change them. So I don't know. Sometimes I change things later on. Oh, and the opacity. I'll lower the opacity. And now gonna stop this here now, and probably gonna continue, maybe not, I'm not sure. And yes. Ooh. Okay, bye. So I finished the whole illustration. This is the time-lapse video from the iPad, and I really like how it came out. So now I just have to get the layout of the whole notepad, like how it's gonna look. I started a little bit, but I don't like the colors yet, so I stopped, and I'm gonna have to think about it. So yeah, this is just like a time-lapse. And I picked out some colors here I want to use. So yeah, let's fast forward a little bit more. Come on. Oop. Done. That's it. What do you think? I think it's really cute. Oops. What happened? Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog with this. And I know I didn't show my face in this vlog, but I don't know. Maybe the next one. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions or so, just leave them down below. Yay, yay, yay,